I'm assuming the black is ground, so I'm going to go to the body of the connector, and then the end of it is the connector that pushes into the light bulb connector. What that is the reverse light. So that works. I've got a white and a red in here. I also have this yellow, but I'll go to that in a second. So here's yellow. Here's what I thought was running lights. Oh no, that's dimmer. That's probably running lights, maybe like this was red, this would be brake light. Brake light. Oh no, that's a turn signal. Look at that. See that? That looks very bright. That's the yellow wire. That looks like brakes. Dimmer running, probably white, bright. That's turn. It's probably the red. And that's brakes, yellow. Well, that's confusing as hell.